What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be replacing the old radio system with the new one. Hopefully we got some Bluetooth and Apple CarPlay, because I'm trying to make this interior look a lot nicer. As you can see, we replaced the seats already. Man, it looks so nice. This is what the radio looks like right now. I want to make it look all digital, like the dash and everything. First time doing it, so let's see how long it's gonna take us. But come on, let's do it. I went to AutoZone and I got this kit removable. Seems like that's all you need to remove the old stereo. It works. Look, guys, it's just falling apart. It lights up, and it was playing some radio music, so I'm probably gonna keep it just for memory stuff. So I got this harness kit from Amazon. Apparently it's plug-in ready, so you guys can see. I'm gonna check and see if they plug in. If they do, all we gotta do is wire this to the back of the radio, and then just bring the radio back and install it. So let's see if it works. It works. Go. So this radio was an open box from Best Buy, and it's basically brand new. I don't know who bought it, and I guess they didn't want it, but it comes with everything. It has the speaker, which we don't need. It has actually the radio, which is brand new stereo. Okay. And it's got extra stuff here that we're probably not gonna need. So let's put this together, and I'm gonna let you guys enjoy with some music. Okay, now that we got all the wires basically peeled off, we're gonna start connecting. See what's missing. So basically just follow the color lines. So yellow with yellow, red with red, orange, black and blue. I still haven't figured out what this blue one's for, but we'll see what. So we got the first one done. Okay, guys, so I got basically everything wired up. I put these brackets because apparently there's nothing to hold on to this one, which came with the radio. So I'm thinking that it comes with these phase, which is this one right here, and I believe this has to screw into the bottom, into the car. So let's see what we can do here. So I did it myself, bro. It's not that hard, but it's just too small. But look how much better it looks.
It looks so much better.
Guys, it's been over, I want to say, an hour, and I finally got it to work. Yeah, I broke a lot of shit, I fixed a lot of shit, but I think it's done. So I'm gonna clean up the area real quick, then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Let me show you guys my view. I got the digital dash, stereo. Oh yeah. Now we're missing something here. Maybe something here, but what do you think? Okay guys, we're at the end of the video. I just want to let you guys see what I see now every time I go inside my foxbody. I think it looks badass. I'm the type of guy that I want to keep it as cool as I can, as classic as I can on the outside, but the interior has to have that new technology. It's got to feel new, right? And that's what I'm trying to do. Let me show you guys the seats, the radio, the dash and everything. Let me know what you guys think. Check it out, guys. We got the new steering wheel with the red accents. We got the digital dash with the red accents. We got a new radio. Let me show you guys the seat. So what do you guys think? Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave in the comments down below what you guys want to see next. I know there's a lot of projects. A lot of people do some crazy things with the car, you know, with the foxbody family. So I want to keep my unique. I don't know how crazy we're going to go with this, but I would like for you to subscribe and, you know, become a family here with me. I think I'm at 20 subscribers right now, but, you know, let's keep growing. And see you guys in the next video. Peace.